However, numerous monetary standards have attacked the much sought-after crypto market. The most talked-of and high-positioned are Zilliqa, ZIL, which is an ERC20 token. This was the coming of the year 2017 when the CEO of Zilliqa, Mr. Zin and his group thought of this splendid thought of sending off this resource. His thought was upheld by his devoted group of specialists and blockchain calculation specialists who rejuvenated this Zilliqa crypto. Allow us to break down the ongoing subtleties of Zilliqa and comprehend the Zilliqa cost expectation for what's in store. Zilliqa Network is a blockchain network that started in Singapore and was established by Pratik Saxena, Amrit Kumar, Max Cantilia. It embraced the Ethereum blockchain prior to starting its own and is home to many decentralized applications. As a guileless participant in the venture market around 2018, not very many individuals knew all about Zilcash and were a little fearful about exchanging Zil crypto. A significant benefit of the Zilliqa coin is that you can execute raids as the blockchain network grows, adding to an extraordinary expansion in the quantity of diggers. Zilliqa is the first of its sort of open blockchain worked with sharding innovation. It runs a programming language called Scylla and carries out pragmatic Byzantine adaptation to internal failure. It can take care of the current issue of versatility involving its sharding strategy as dynamic scaling arrangement. Zilliqa can address undertaking issues as it can deal with a huge volume of exchanges. Zilliqa, ZIL, novel highlights. A striking trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This noticeable characteristic makes it interesting contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized money conventions and simultaneously lays out a plenty of mining roads. According to the authority site, they focus to change advanced foundation across different networks. Thus it wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of Zilliqa tokens as impetuses in executing shrewd agreements and move reserves. Besides, it has fostered its own brilliant agreement language called Scylla by which designers can compose shrewd agreements according to a security perspective. Different shards assist with handling an exceptionally high throughput of exchanges in a savvy, silicon-smooth way with more proficiency. Examination of Zil's authentic value development. The cost journey has been created with shocks combined with exciting bends in the road. The ongoing cost of Zilliqa, ZIL, is at $0.058, and it exchanges under a downtrend. The market capitalization of Zilliqa is $719,545,402 with $12,289,142,698 ZIL being current coursing supply. Zilliqa cost today is devalued by 20.2% to the cost with which it has entered the year 2022. The last day, i.e., 24-hour cost change has a by and large story to describe. Specialists take on Zilliqa's gauge. While numerous cryptogurus have expressed their viewpoint on cost expectation, Zilliqa against the US dollar, in abundance, not all are similar. While certain specialists give a reassuring gauge, Zilliqa cost expectation, the others end up being a little careful in giving you liberal freedoms. A cost expectations site has given an exceptionally hopeful view about the ZIL speculation for the impending years. According to their expectation for 2030, the ZIL cost could cross $2.03 and past in the impending years. Going by the moderate pattern and a mindful methodology, it appears to be troublesome that the coin would stand firm on its situation, and the ZIL cost might exchange around 13 cents toward the finish of 2022. In next 5 years the cost could ascend to a normal of $0.395. Zilliqa value expectation 2022 to 2026. Zilliqa conjecture and ZIL cost forecast graph has genuinely somersaulted somewhat recently, absolutely changing the pattern from starting towards the year's end. The coin has had a noteworthy excursion over the course of the past year. ZIL coin's pattern has been very forceful, prompting an exceptionally hopeful way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for unions. New organizations and improvement would carry Zilliqa to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially regarded cryptographic money. All the while, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which might demonstrate an extreme test for crypto rivals. In view of 1-year verifiable information and market cap improvement, there is even a Zilliqa gauge that the cash might think of its own blockchain stage progressing itself from Ethereum base getting enrolled in the significant cryptographic money trades of the world soon. As per the last year's cost energy and from the outset of this current year, Zilliqa could offer a buy to all negative and cynical patterns, and it could mean the beginning of a time of expectations and commitments brimming with idealism. The coin entered 2020 in the wake of experiencing a negative cycle with a cost $0.004. Later Zilliqa has denoted another unequaled high in the period of May 6th 2021 at 25 cents. From that point forward, the ZIL coin stamped moderate development till the finish of the last year. According to Zilliqa cost expectation, the coin has checked significant rectification starting from the start of this current year, and it could record peripheral recuperation regardless of impermanent cost declines. From our transient specialized investigation following are the opposition level and backing levels of ZIL. Resistance level 1, $0.06092. Resistance level 2, $0.0625. Resistance level 3, $0.06386. Support level 1, $0.05798. Support level 2, $0.05662. Support level 3, $0.05504. Zilliqa value expectation 2022. The Zilliqa cost is anticipated to exchange above 8 cents in the year 2022. The normal high of Zilliqa cost is $0.086 while the low is $0.073. The Zilliqa (ZIL) cost expectation for the year's end is around $0.082. Zilliqa value expectation 2023. The cost of Zilliqa is anticipated to exchange around $0.095 in the year 2023. The normal high of ZIL cost is 10 cents, while the low is $0.085. The Zilliqa cost figure part for the year's end target is around the normal cost of $0.088. Zilliqa value expectation 2024. For the year 2024, the anticipated normal cost of ZIL could exchange around $0.099. The normal high of ZIL cost is 12 cents, while the low is around $0.087. For long-haul financial backers, Zilliqa will be a nice wise venture road. Financial backers can procure over 100% return in the following 2 to 3 years assuming they follow